Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So I just posted another video not too long ago, and I'm going to be posting another video just talking about a topic right now and just asking you guys a question again. And sorry if you guys are getting annoyed by this and not seeing any tutorials. The reason why I don't want to make a tutorial on this computer is, first, I don't have Allegro, SFML, or XNA on this. And for the C++ made easy people, my dad's computer uploads extremely slow. So it takes like about like a half an hour to an hour to upload a video. So I don't want to make a bunch of videos and not be able to upload them. So I'd rather not do that. So anyways, for this video, I just wanted to, sorry, I'm tired. I just wanted to ask you guys a quick question. So I've been having a lot of people commenting on my videos and messaging me on in the inbox and stuff, asking me, do I know DirectX? Do I know OpenGL? When are 3D tutorials coming? Blah blah blah. My initial plan was to finish the platformer series, and from the platformer series, I was going to do RPG series, right? And I was going to split the RPG series into two different things: a tile editor, a 2D tile editor, and the actual game itself, right? Also, you get a full-on 2D RPG game engine, right? It won't be as robust or whatever as RPG Maker, but it would be fully functional, and you'd be able to make some cool games with it. So that's what I was thinking of doing, but there's a lot of people saying we just want 3D, we want 3D, blah blah blah. So the question is, when I'm done the platformer series, do you want to delve into the world of 3D straight away, or do you want to learn about RPGs first and then go into 3D? I was thinking of doing RPGs and then 3D, but since a lot of people are asking, then I'm considering just going straight into 3D and then doing RPGs later. If you want to know how long it's going to take for the RPG series, it is going to take long. I will tell you this from now, it is going to be a long series, because with 10-minute videos each and to teach each component of RPG, it could very easily be 100 videos. And some of you might think I'm exaggerating, but I really don't think I am. It could easily be 100 videos, because I'm going to have to, first of all, reteach what I've been doing in the platformer series is for making screens, menus, etc., etc. And also in the platformer series, just to make a simple menu, it took almost like 20 or over 20 tutorials just to do it, right? With the RPG, I'm gonna have to reteach that stuff, because for those people that actually didn't watch a platformer series, I'm gonna have to remake that for the RPG series. Then we're gonna have to get some RPG elements down packed and all the features that you want with RPGs, and we're gonna have to make the tile map editor and etc. etc. So it could be very well over 100 videos, which could take a while, especially that I'm in college, right? So if you guys choose that you want RPGs before 3D programming, just note that 3D programming will be coming next year, but it won't be coming until mid next year, probably summertime. Okay, and it could come earlier depending on how efficient I am with the RPG series, but I can't guarantee how efficient I will be. So from that, I'm basically saying that it would come around summertime. If you guys want the 3D tutorials, then they should start earlier next year, right? Because I'm planning to finish the platformer series by the end of this year or early next year. So the next series will be coming soon. So if you guys want 3D tutorials, then let me know, right? Or if you want RPG, let me know, and I will be making a topic, a poll on my community on my website, so you could vote there. So I'm going to be counting the votes on my comments and counting them on the community as well, and seeing how much I really get for the next tutorial series. Okay? And if you guys want to do 3D or something, specify in the comments below whether you want to learn DirectX or OpenGL. And the thing is that with DirectX is just Windows based. So for the viewers that are doing using Mac or Linux, then you guys are out of luck. If people choose DirectX, you can use a virtual machine, but compiling in C++ with DirectX with a virtual machine isn't really the most efficient option. But if you really want to get it done, then you can get it done. So yeah, with OpenGL is cross-platform, so you can code and stuff on other platforms and distribute it across other platforms. So you will be able to do that. So just some insight for you to do that. If I do DirectX, I'm either doing either or DirectX or OpenGL, right? So you have to specify. So what I will do is, if you choose 3D, what I would do is, say you choose DirectX, I would do DirectX, and then the 2D RPG series, then OpenGL. If you choose OpenGL first, then I will do OpenGL, then RPG, then DirectX. If you guys choose the RPG first, then I'll do the RPG, and then when I'm almost done the RPG series, I'll make another video asking you which one you want me to do first, whether it be OpenGL or DirectX, okay? And the DirectX and OpenGL tutorials are going to be the beginner tutorial series, so it's going to be teaching you everything to drawing, primitives, rotating objects, transforming objects, etc., right? But another thing with 3D stuff is that you have to, the more you know about 3D math and physics and stuff, the better you are. So another thing to mention as well is that if you want me to do the 3D tutorials, I was thinking in the 3D tutorials that before we actually get to start encoding, that I would actually make a few 3D math tutorials and if you wanted some 3D physics tutorials, right? Just to get the gist of what you're going to be doing in the programming world, right? Because if you don't understand what a transformation or what a translation is, or how to do calculations in 3D space, then in tutorials, you can still code in 3D space. You don't have to know a thing about it, right? You don't have to know a thing about math. You can still code in 3D space. But whenever you get an error or something's not rotating right, or something's not going the way you want it to go, you're not going to know why it's not working, because you're not going to really understand the code. So I'm thinking of doing like a little math series, like maybe like 10 videos or something, just explaining the math behind what's going on so you guys understand it better. So let me know if you guys are interested in that as well. So I'm going to end the tutorial here. So specify if you want 2D RPG or 3D. If you want 3D, specify which one you want, OpenGL or DirectX, right? If you want 3D, also specify if you want the math series, or if you want to just delve right into the programming. So anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and bye.